Okay, so I finally got that pipe through the floor. So I'm getting ready to put some cement on it. I'll lift this up, stick it in, and we'll hold it in place for a few minutes and hopefully, and then underneath I'll try to connect the tub or the shower with the sink and drain. So we'll see. Okay, so I've got it glued together, and I'm gonna it says let it cure for at least 15 minutes at temperatures above 60. It's a little below 60, so it said for about 2 hours. So I'm gonna let that go for a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on dang, what do you want to call it? The wall by the bathroom. This piece right here is, I've got these little pieces left over here from the other, what we did on the walls here. So we'll put those up on the end cap there. And then, like I said, I was thinking about turning this into shallow shelves, but since the door needs to move over there, maybe not. We'll see. Since it's going to be the sliding barn door if I ever get it put on, but in order to get it put on, I've got to finish up the wall. So, gotta get busy. Here's what we got done. I got, oh, sorry, moving around up under here. Got that in, and what I'm going to do on this one, because I want to bring it down further, so I'm going to cut this off. This was the pipe that came with the sink. So I'm going to cut this off and put a joint in there to bring it down further. And then I went ahead and I already brought down the tub drain there, and then I will connect the two with this. So this part is glued. This part, whoops, right there is glued on, but that part up in there is not glued yet, because I thought just in case I need to adjust something, but I've lengthened that too. So a joint here, bring it down, then connect the pipe together, and I need to get that done, and I need a hacksaw to do it, and the neighbors didn't have one. So I got this wall here done, and then next time, like I said, I'll decide if I'm by then if I'm gonna make little shelves in here or if I'm not. I don't know. Just I need to make up my mind and get it done. So made some good progress with the plumbing. I know I didn't finish it, but I got further than I had been. So I'm pleased with the progress. Little inside work, and then had lunch with the kids next door. There we go.